plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today I am making Aron. It is one of my favorite Pokemon for Ruby and Sapphire. I think it's a really cute one, so I was very excited to make this one today. I hope you guys enjoy. So I started out with using my large hole punch to make the body, and then I am tracing the white parts of his shell by hand. Starting with the back portion. I hope you guys are all doing well. If you have not requested a rock-type Pokemon for November yet, please do. Please let me know down in the comments. I think that the Pokemon Company's official Pokemon type for this month is Dragon type, which I don't know. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me for November to be Dragon type. I think that rock type makes a lot more sense, but that's okay. Yeah, I always decide what type I'm doing for the month before Pokemon announces it. They usually wait a few days into the month and then they're like, oh, by the way, it's Dragon Month. But I usually decide in advance before they announce. So for me, it's Rock type month. And yeah, now I'm cutting out the head. I feel like I made the head a little too thin, but I ended up leaving it. It's not quite that like football shape that his head is, but that's okay. I tried to kind of round it out a little bit and change the shape so it looked more oval-like and less thin, but yeah. And luckily I have lots of different hole punches, so not only did I have the big hole punch to make the body, but I have the smaller ones that I could use for the head. I really like the background paper that I have for this one. It's that navy blue one, or teal one up there with the mushrooms and the flowers. I'm sticking to all of my autumn and fall themed supplies, so that is what we have for Aron. I think I'm gonna have to go out and get some holiday paper for December, because I don't know if I have a whole lot that really feels like winter themed, so we'll see if I can do that. And I really like the paper I used for the center of his eye. I know it's not quite the same color, but I like the metallic. I thought that it would look neat and really stand out, so that's what I did. And it also matched the background paper better than like a really light blue, so that's what I went with. So now I am gluing the pieces together, getting them planned out before I cut the legs out. Doing a little bit of outlining along the edges. I feel like his legs were the easiest part to cut out. Like, at least I got those shapes right. But yeah, I should have gone back and redone the head, but that's okay. I still have another like 800 Pokemon to make, so there's no time. I just gotta get done. Oh, I think in the new Sword and Shield they announced some new like Reggie Pokemon instead of like Regice, Registeel, Regirock. There's some other ones now. Let me know how many there are. I don't know. I think there's an electric one. I don't know, I caught somebody playing through it on Twitch and I was watching briefly, but yeah. Gosh, I'm so tempted to buy a Switch. I always think I'm gonna get really into gaming and then I just play Sims, and Sims has a new expansion pack coming out in like 2 weeks, and for once I think I'll actually buy one before it's on sale because it looks really good. I've put 600 hours into Sims. I saw that the other day and I felt like personally offended. I was like, oh my god. It's just a calming place for me though, so yeah. I think my first Pokemon game I put like 150 hours into, so I guess this is nothing new for me to find a game I really like and just stick with it. So anyway, for this washi tape I have here, it's metallic and it matches the eye perfectly, so I thought that would be really cool to kind of tie the whole thing together. And then finally, I just have to glue Aron down. Thank you guys so much for listening to me ramble. I really appreciate you being here. I don't know what to say. It's been a stressful week, but I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you are making some fun crafts and taking care of yourselves. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you all again soon.